In the history of the United States, few figures loom as large as George Washington. Known as the father of our nation, Washington's leadership and character helped shape the very foundation of the United States of America. But what about his faith? How did it influence his role as the first president of the United States? Join us as we explore the faith of George Washington and its potential impact on his leadership. George Washington was a man of many accomplishments, but perhaps less known is his deep faith in God. Born into a devout Anglican family, Washington's faith played a significant role in his life. Throughout his public and private life, Washington's faith evolved, reflecting his personal journey of spirituality and his role as a leader. One of the key aspects of George Washington's faith was his belief in Providence. Washington often acknowledged that he saw the hand of God guiding the destiny of the United States. In his writings and speeches, he frequently referred to divine intervention and the importance of seeking God's guidance in the affairs of the nation. Washington's faith also influenced his approach to leadership. Grounded in the principles of Christianity, he believed that moral virtues were essential for both individuals and the nation. Washington valued honesty, integrity, and self-discipline, and he sought to embody these qualities in his own life and leadership. George Washington was a strong advocate for religious freedom and tolerance. He firmly believed in the principle that all individuals should be able to worship according to their own beliefs. In his famous letter to the Hebrew congregation of Newport, he wrote, "It is now no more that toleration is spoken of, as if it was the indulgence of one class of people that another enjoyed the exercise of their inherent natural rights." Perhaps one of the most significant ways in which Washington's faith influenced his leadership was through his unwavering commitment to unity. He believed that the success of the young nation depended on fostering a sense of common purpose and shared values. Washington saw the diversity of religious beliefs as an opportunity to strengthen the fabric of the nation rather than a source of division. As we reflect on George Washington's faith, it becomes clear that it played a vital role in shaping his leadership and the values he instilled in the American presidency. His belief in Providence, moral virtues, religious freedom, and unity served as guiding principles throughout his tenure as the first president of the United States. Washington's faith not only influenced his leadership, but also left a lasting legacy that continues to shape the nation to this day.